All right, so hopefully you're using this, the starting point of $3 or $3.149 on this day, and then every day since that day, gas has been going down approximately that much per day. So after 2 days, if we start here, after 2 days, you're going to decrease this amount with 2 of those. So every day it decreases by that, but 2 days you're going to decrease that amount with 2 of those. So here's the calculation you should have performed. You have $3.149 and subtracting off not one of those amounts, but let's do 2 of those amounts. So times 2 there. So that's what you should get. $3 and we'll call it 12.5 cents. That's almost, it's in between 12 and 13 cents. Okay, so 8 days. So we're going to hopefully subtract 8 of those from that starting point. So I'm hitting second enter. And I can go back and manipulate and change the 8. So again, 8 days after the starting point, each day decreases by that. So we're multiplying by 8 there. And so we get that amount. So a little bit over $3.05, and then 12 days. So hopefully you're thinking the same thing, and multiply that by 12 and then subtract from your starting value. So I'm going to hit second, enter, and I want 12. So 12 of those subtracted from the starting gives you that. And that's right in between $3 and $3.01. Okay, so let's go and graph these 3 dots using our grid here, and I'm going to use special scaling here. I want you to start your vertical axis right here at $2.90, and then each grid line will represent a cent. So let me make that hash mark there, indicating that that's going to be a different distance between our next point here. So each grid line represent another cent. So here you can represent the number of days. Each grid line would represent days since October 10th. So scale those appropriately, mark your axes appropriately, and then try and graph those and see what you get compared with mine.